I bought a toolbox. I paid big money for, well, for me, it's big money. Didn't come with wheels, but I got wheels. In fact, I got too many wheels. I'm almost happy that it didn't come with wheels. And it is however many drawer that is. What I like about it is it has this stainless steel top, and I intend to use it without a top box, just like a rolling cart. I'll probably put hot rod wheels on it, larger than usual and all swiveling, and we'll use it in the storage. Well, let's go take a look at it when it gets delivered. Oh, and by the way, I paid $125. Made it. I picked this up for the Cub Scouts. That's scrap out of the dumpster. Toolbox you saw. And Toyota engine. It's a nice day. April of 1996. That's the stamp I found on this box. So it has arrived in storage. Everything went well. I don't have the casters here, but I have a nice set of casters I'll add to it. All these screwdrivers were in one drawer that was this wide in the other box. I still might have a few too many, or perhaps I'll figure that out. I'm getting surprised. I thought it'd be fun to arrange all these wrenches, and what I'm seeing is I have wrenches that I don't really need. Like this is a proto wrench for any proto collectors. This is something else. These are just things that came off the road or were at a yard sale or somebody was getting rid of. I lately have been reassembling Craftsman sets, so I think I'll just keep a Craftsman set. We're in a storage area where I don't spend that many days of the year, but I would like to be able to do some, basic repairs here. It's funny I should say basic repairs. That's all I do, basic repairs. I'm not going to rebuild someone's transmission. So what do you think of this? See how there's so many extensions and drivers and ratchets and things, but there are fewer sockets? What if you kept the drivers here and then the sockets to the right? That kind of makes sense. I don't know. I want it to be organized. Right now I'm keeping 1/4 inch drive and 1/2 inch drive together. I mean, no one's going to mix that up. Well, yeah, but you know what? Wood and Metal Garage, it'd be great if he came to visit, but he's not planning it now, so this is fine. We'll be okay with that. And then that's my IQ. I keep that there. This is where I keep my dreams, hopes and aspirations, and bad ideas. Well, no, that's for good ideas, but why is it empty? Hey, I've been working on this a little bit too. I will put that in a video. I'm really pleased with this. What you're looking at is not finished. It's not even straightened out. In fact, none of that's even fastened, but I'm pretty happy. This is the greenhouse. It's just the room that has that name.